Most sewing machines these days have a seam guide that comes with the machine. So anytime that you are working with a pattern, you usually have some sort of seam allowance to follow. So on the Pfaff Creative 4.5 sewing machine, on the throat plate, there's measurements for both inches and metric. So finding the right line to follow is just as simple as lining your fabric with the lines that are on the throat plate. But sometimes we need something that's further past those lines, or maybe you're making multiple rows side by side. Use the seam guide. So this part goes in the hole behind the needle, and you'll need to undo the screw so it can slide in. Then you're going to tighten the screw with your fingertips. And then usually I measure from the needle to the seam guide for how far I want it to be. So I could use it just for even easy guiding along the fabric. If you've got youngsters that are sewing, this is a great way to kind of help keep them lined up. But watch, if you're doing multiple rows, whether it's decorative stitches or straight stitches or quilting rows of stitches, next, all I need to do is to get exactly the same row or distance is put the guide on the line you just stitched and stitch again. And then you can just keep on going all the way across your fabric until it is completely filled with perfectly parallel lines of stitching.